Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the KineMaster application. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to log out from the KineMaster application on your device, then simply open up the application from this device, and after waiting for a little while, you will directly be taken into the Create page, from which you can directly start creating your new projects. Now, if you wish to log out from your account on this device, just tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. You will now be taken into your profile page. Tap on the menu icon at the top right and then tap on Sign Out at the very bottom. When you tap on this, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out from the KineMaster application. Tap on the Sign Out button once again, and this will now log you out from your KineMaster account. When you tap on the Me icon once again, this will now take you into the login menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the KineMaster application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.